Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, if you have watched my video for the first time, I am Dipanwita Dutta and I am here to make myself happy through bringing a smile on your face. So guys, let's start. First of all guys, I'm so sorry for not being so much active in my Instagram and also in my YouTube, as my final semester was going on and my whole schedule was so hectic, and finally I have got some time and making video. And yeah, so guys, this is basically my first video with my straight hair. So guys, stay tuned, my hair transformation video will be soon on my channel. So guys, this is basically my birthday week. Woo! Birthday month. Woo! So but where I can do something new and I can be so active. So yeah, फॉल शुभ विजया नवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. तो बेसिकली ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम बहुत सारे डीएम्स आते हैं या फिर लोग कमेंट में भी बोलते हैं कि मतलब कुछ इंस्टाग्रामेबल पिक्चर्स कैसे खींचे, एंड ऑल्सो अबाउट सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट. तो in this time, so self portrait is basically a higher level of selfie. So self portrait basically you can put your phone wherever you want on a tripod और जुगाड़ के साथ अपना फ़ोन को सेट कीजिए and you can take pictures on portrait mode and you can pose in your way and clicking pictures. They have made amazing pictures, so I thought if they can, then why can't I? Of course, so if they can, I can too, and if I can, you can too. So first of all, every self portrait is unique in its style, so you can use everything in your house as a prop. ऐसे मतलब मैंने तो एकदम बेसिक से स्टार्ट किया and I have ended up by loving it. So here is some self-portrait ideas which I thought not so difficult because its outcome was so incredible. So I thought, let's make this. So there will be some self-portrait ideas, and I can assure you the outcome will impress you, will make you super happy, because I literally love to scroll my feed and see my stories like, oh my god, look, here's this.
I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way.
Here I am using a golden sari as a backdrop. I am using a gold-plated necklace as a tiara, or you can say crown. I covered myself with the rest of the sari. Use any kind of tripod. Of course, headache wala pose. So now we will spread the newspaper all over the floor. आप चाहे तो wall में stick भी कर सकते हैं, but this is the easiest and laziest way to do this.
Guys, we're done with this. You can see, time to move. So, guys, I'm ready.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
So yeah, that's for all. And guys, I know I am not regular, so much regular in I can't promise, but I will try my best to give my 100% ताकि regular videos आए, and keep supporting, keep loving, and guys, stay tuned for my birthday vlogs. It will be soon on my channel, and of course the hair transformation video. So guys, तब तक के लिए don't forget to subscribe to my channel. मतलब yeah, I'm so happy, it's good कि लोग videos देख तो रहे हैं, at least views are increasing, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This video with your friends who just want to click some self-portraits and make your Instagram feed adorable. It means a lot for me if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. गाइस, आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना कि सारे हैक्स में सबसे फेवरेट सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट हैक आपको कौन सा लगा, एंड रिक्रिएट देम, एंड मिलते हैं इंस्टाग्राम में. तो तब फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम टू. इधर ही कहीं आ गया होगा अभी तक तो. Yeah, that's for it, and stay happy, stay blessed.
Bye.